Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the OPPO Reno 7 Pro 5G. On the front, you can see the phone's name. So let's open the box. First you can see the lid, and inside the lid we have a SIM ejector tool and documentation like a quick guide and safety guide which will give you information about the phone. Next is the transparent back cover which will protect your phone from any harm. Here we have OPPO Reno 7 Pro 5G. The phone has a punch hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass V5 protection. The device offers a stunning 50 megapixel triple camera setup on its rear side. Also, you can see OPPO branding at the bottom. The phone looks very stylish in this matte finish. Now we have a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data. And you will get a 2-pin wall charger with 65 watt of Super VOOC charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the OPPO Reno 7 Pro 5G box. Thank you so much for watching this video.